Hello and happy Easter, everybody! It's Grady here, and I am going to sing you an Easter song so that you can have a beautiful Easter day with you and yours. So, I hope you guys are going to have a special Easter egg hunt. Jenny and I were planning on it, but guess what? It kind of snowed. What a joke. Anyways, here we go. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way, bringing every girl and boy baskets full of Easter joy, things to make your Easter bright and gay.